Guys, just another tip, beginners when working with metros. So I've got my line on here, as you can see. I've serrated up what I'm comfortable sticking on straight away right now while I get around these pipes and whatnot and get it started. So what I do is I get these on here, get the full course on, peg it up, and then I put the mid level on top, just checking, making sure that's in nice and level. And then I carry on working off that. So just leaving these a little bit. They're still movable, but they're light enough to hold and hang there. As long as you've serrated that correctly across, it's going to hang a little bit. So then, like I say, drop back in, get some pegs, and then just start shoving some pegs, putting a few pegs in. Once we've got this course on, and then we'll call back to show you the next protocol here. As you can see, we've got that first course on, pegged up nicely. And you're just looking under your level then. You can see, she says level. And just look under your levels to see if there's any gaps. And if there is, you just basically just push your tile up to the bottom of your level. Making sure your level's nice and clean. And then that way, do your second course and then check your top course again just in case it fluctuates and just drops down a little bit. But obviously I've got my lines on here from my serration. I can see where I'm starting from. So the half bond on there. There you go, look at that. So just keep making sure whichever line you put on there, you keep it to whichever side of the joint you're wanting. So you don't want to be coming to the next tile there, which is going to be the next course down, and coming off that side. You've got to keep coming off the same side of the line. And that way you won't go wrong. You can see, nice bit of process there. Same again's happened on this wall. Your two lines up for your centre and your side of your joint. And then before you all keep asking, this is my tile cutter I'm using. This is the Montolet 63. Great thing about this cutter is you can set a gauge. You set the gauge as so. And then if you want to make another tile cut, you can just lift your gauge up and it keeps set each time. Happy days. Monty for the win. Always ask me what could I recommend for metros. I always use my money.